Hi, I'm Kelly at Book and Paper Arts, and I'm here today to talk about Flowerfest 2025. Flowerfest is an annual online celebration of all things flowers, nature, and it's brought to you through a series of 15 different lessons that will teach you a truckload of mixed media techniques to help you get flowers in your pages and other mixed media projects. Flowerfest is organized by Francesca Nunez, and a lot of you know her work. She's so inspiring. And I'm very honored that this year Francesca has asked me to teach in this year's Flowerfest. I'm going to be doing a lesson on how to create flowers in a sort of a kind of homage to Georgia O'Keeffe, who was very famous for her flower paintings. So in my process video, I'm going to talk about how you can learn to observe using cropping and magnification, to use that to bring to your own paintings of flowers. And I then took my pictures and turned them into an art journal, and I'll be doing a flip through of that in the process video that I'm teaching for Flowerfest. Altogether, there are 14 teachers in this year's Flowerfest, and the talent is formidable. I'm going to put the list of the teachers in the text box below this video, and I think you're going to recognize some of the names. So Flowerfest starts on July 12th. It runs up until July 31st, and what comes with that, again, are 15 different mixed media tutorials and a boatload of bonus extras. You can also read about those in the text box. I've got a bullet list down there, and so you can see what's included with your registration. You're also going to find a link to this year's Flowerfest. And I'm also going to put a link in the first pinned comment in case you can't see the text box. If you want to click on that link, you're going to find more information about Flowerfest. And if you like what you see, you're also going to find a way to register, because between now and June 31st, it's an early bird registration. That is for $67 USD. After June 30th, it goes up, but you will still have time to register if you need a little bit more time to think about it. Okay, if you have any questions or any feedback, please let me know in the comments below this video. You can also drop me an email. Until later, happy making.